my channel. In today's video, I have a super fun, exciting, and very special luxury haul. So if you'd like to see all the goodies that I've recently acquired, please keep watching. So I have a little bit of a lot of things. I have jewelry, lots of jewelry, a handbag, some home items, makeup, and all the things. I'm so excited to share all these goodies with you guys. If you saw my most recent vlog, some of these items were purchased that day, so just a few days ago. If you haven't seen that wonderful luxury Hermes and shopping vlog, I will link it down below. But today's video is being sponsored by Italo jewelry. I was super excited when they contacted me because this is actually a brand of jewelry that I have seen on YouTube for years. Everyone from my girl Benita to Pockets and Bows to other larger YouTubers, smaller YouTubers. I've seen so many women rave about their jewelry, and I was so excited because, as you're gonna see today, I am trying to get more into jewelry. I always say that I'm very simplistic and minimal in my dress and everything of the sort. But as I'm maturing, I feel like jewelry just helps elevate your look a little bit. So I'm really excited to share an unboxing of some pieces that Italo jewelry sent me. So I received these 2 boxes full of goodies, and I will insert the unboxings. I received a ring, a necklace, and a beautiful pair of earrings. The one thing I really love about Italo jewelry is that it features really high quality premium white sapphire. So the items you're getting, the rings, the bracelets, the necklaces, everything of the sort is super high quality. It's beautiful. You get free worldwide shipping, a 1-year warranty, and a 60-day return. And the prices are so reasonable. They also have a plethora of items. The way these pieces glisten in the light is so stunning. Now, I love a good jewelry brand, but I also love something that's high quality yet affordable. So let's get into these pieces. So let's first get into this white sapphire eternity band. Now, I have been in the market for an eternity band for a while because I do have a few rings that I like to alternate, and I just felt like an eternity ring would be the perfect pairing to an already existing ring that I own. So this is what the ring looks like on my finger, and I will insert a video of it in the direct sunlight. It is beautiful. It features white sapphires all around the band. Beautiful. It's a statement piece, but it's still dainty enough to look very ladylike. I love it. Now, I've never worn an eternity ring before, so it does kind of cause your fingers to be a bit more spaced out because there's white sapphires all around the band, but I love it. They're round sapphires set in sterling silver. I wore it out with a family member the other day, and they were like, "Where did you get that ring?" Well, it's Italo jewelry, so I have really been enjoying this white sapphire eternity ring. The next piece that I received, first of all, how beautiful is the packaging? Really, really high quality. And this is my white sapphire tennis necklace. So here is the white sapphire tennis necklace. I mean, this is just elegant. So this is the 18-inch. Once again, it's set in sterling silver, and it also has a really secure clasp in the back, so you can be sure that it's secure and it's not going anywhere. Now, I love this. This is totally me. I honestly think I could have gotten it a little bit shorter, but this is just going to be the perfect pairing for wearing out to an event. It's beautiful. And then the last piece that I want to share, the lovely white sapphire earrings. Now, once again, this is how the packaging comes. In it, you get a little travel pouch, you get a silver polishing cloth, and then you get information all about the white sapphire. And here are the gorgeous white sapphire earrings. Now, these are a total weight of 2 carats if we were to weigh them like we would diamonds. These are really high quality, and they shine so brilliantly in the light. I want to take them out so you guys can get a better look at them. They're also set in sterling silver, so they're right up my alley. Okay, so I have the earrings in my ear, and look how large they are. Once again, they are 2.0 total carat weight. These are gorgeous. They're a lot larger than the typical diamond stud earrings that I wear, and they glisten so beautifully in the light. These will definitely be another one of my favorite just everyday earrings. I just love how much they make a statement. So once again, thank you so much to Italo Jewelry. I will link the website down below and place my coupon code across the screen. Don't forget to check out all the information in the description box. Check them out if you're looking for some really high quality jewelry that sparkles and shines so brilliantly. I promise you will be very impressed. And let me know down below if you've ever shopped Italo Jewelry. I would love to know what you think about that. Okay, next I want to share, let's do Hermes. I went to Hermes for the first time in store and I shopped with one of my girls. We had the best experience. I do want to say something. I often hear about people being a bit intimidated. That was me, to go shop in Hermes. And I understand it's because we all hear about the game that Hermes plays. And I went into the store knowing that there were things on my wish list I wanted, but I also wanted to build a relationship with a client advisor so that I could one day get the top 2 bags on my wish list. But when I walked in store with my friend, we had the very best experience. We met the perfect advisor. The total experience from start to finish was amazing. And I just want to say, don't feel intimidated to go shop in these luxury stores. My whole thing is I want to have a positive shopping experience and I want to feel good when I'm going out and spending money and getting things that I love. So don't be afraid to go shop in Hermes. We had a really great experience. Like I said, this was my first time shopping in store, so I finally have an Hermes bag and I picked up something that's very different for myself. It comes in this little orange box, and as you can see, this is going to be a true unboxing. So if you've watched my other Hermes videos, I do have scarves, shoes, tableware, makeup. I think that might be it. But this is a new category for me. Do you guys, I mean, I'm sure you already know what's in here, judging by the size of this box. I am really excited about this piece. Here's a little hint. I said earlier in the video that I'm trying to get more into jewelry. So let's see. Ooh, first of all, she's packaged beautifully. So you have this velvet or velveteen pouch with Hermes embossed. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You open up your flaps. Are you guys ready? Drop a comment down below and let me see if you can guess what I got. I do have to give a shout out to my girl Benita. I'll link her channel down below. I want to thank her for this purchase. I don't know if she specifically mentioned it on her channel, but she does a lot of shopping guides, like your first Fendi purchase, your first Hermes purchase. And what it does is it gets me to think outside of the box. I could have gone and gotten the, you know, signature item, but when I saw this online, I said, I love this. It's simplistic, it's different, it's very me. So this is the Hermes O'Kelly pendant. I love it. So you have your signature H in palladium hardware, and it also has a leather piece behind the lock. And I believe this is in the color Italo. On the actual piece of leather, it says Hermes Paris, made in France, DFM. And when I saw this online, I fell in love with it. I went and looked it up on Instagram, and I loved the way it was just so dainty, but you know, just a little different. It's something different than the traditional click clack. Now, I always say there's nothing wrong with getting a click clack. I have a few on my list, but in terms of everyday jewelry, I wanted something that wasn't so bold. I wanted something that I could wear that's understated and still really beautiful. That would be a nice addition to my collection. It's on an 18-inch chain. I am going to put it on. When I tried it on in store yesterday, my friend was like, yeah, that's it, that's you. So this is what the pendant looks like on, you guys. Beautiful. It's dainty, but it's a little different. It's very me. I love a classic piece with a twist. I love something that's fun and a little different. And I think I would wear both pieces together with the leather behind it, but I could also wear it without the leather if I didn't want the actual color to show through. The O'Kelly PM pendant in Italo. I just adore this necklace, you guys. So this is my first piece of Hermes jewelry, and I love that this is the O'Kelly because the Kelly bag is definitely one that I would love to get one day. So shout out to my SA, she was amazing. She also gave me some fragrance samples. Oh my goodness, she hooked me up. So they came in this little box. So I got Le Jardin de Monserrat. This is one that I've purchased for my mother. I love the way that one smells. I also got a sample of, oh, that's the same one. Tuiles de Hermes Eau Poivrée. I do like that. A little different for me, but it's still nice. I also tried Oh Ginger, and that one was a little more fresh. But overall, I had a really great experience in store, and I love my Hermes necklace. Okay, let's get into the bag that I recently acquired. I have to give a shout out to and thank my girl Coco McQueen. I will be sure to link her channel down below. This purchase is because of her. I'm gonna be doing a YouTube Make Me Do It luxury edition video. If you guys would like to see that, let me know down below. She purchased this bag maybe a month ago. She shared it and I fell in love. Now, this is the OG fashion girl bag. This is the bag where you've loved fashion for over 10 years. You might even follow trends. This bag used to be so hot, and though it's not very popular anymore, if you're an OG fashion girl, I mean, I'm not like a fashionista, but I do love a good staple bag. This is one that has always been on my list. So I went on Fashion File. Like I said, I love a deal. I found this bag and I just realized that it goes with the color of my new pendant. I am obsessed, so let's get into it. Fashion File is my #1 website for pre-owned luxury, and this bag is actually discontinued. So I picked up the Alexander Wang Rocco bag. If you are a fashion girl, you have this bag. You either have it, you had it, you love it, you want it. This is a staple. It's one of those bags where if you know, you know, and I love those bags. This bag is a stunner, and the best part of it is the bottom. So this is the Alexander Wang Rocco in the color Latte with rose gold hardware. How beautiful is this bag? And the best part is that I got it for a steal. I want to say I paid maybe $200 for it. I couldn't even wait for it to go on sale because I didn't want to miss out on the deal. $200 for this bag, and there's very minimal wear and tear. I like that you have this zippered portion over here. Then you have a detachable strap. The hardware is just so beautiful. I've had this bag for like 3 weeks and I haven't worn it. It has been very hard, but I love to do unboxings that are true unboxings. So this is my Alexander Wang Rocco bag. I definitely want another. This is what the inside looks like. It is stuffed right now. It's one of those bags, just easy going, wear everywhere, throw it around, take it to the nail salon. I love a bag like that. So I will definitely be rocking her all fall long. You guys will see me toting it. It's not something that is super popular anymore, but the fashion girls, they know, and they know that this is a staple. This is just gorgeous, and I have no bag this color in my collection, so I'm really excited. Okay, my next piece, we're gonna get back on jewelry. This is a piece that I was gifted a while ago and I never shared it with you guys. It's very special because of the person who gifted it to me, and it is by Bulgari. It does come in a huge gift box, but I threw it away because I don't like to keep packaging. This is something that I saw and I fell in love with. It's different, it's bright, it's gonna be perfect for the holiday season. So let's get into it. Here is the packaging. This packaging is almost identical to Italo jewelry. It's just in another color. And you just have your Bulgari packaging, darling. Ooh, she's so gorgeous. This is the item that I received. It is a mother of pearl and carnelian bracelet. So one side is mother of pearl and the opposite is a beautiful red stone, also set in rose gold. Clearly I'm on a rose gold kick. I haven't even taken the little returnable tag off, but I really love this because it's just something so simple and dainty, and I just think this is going to be perfect for the holiday season. So I will be wearing this. It's honestly my first piece from a Bulgari overall, so I really love this. Thank you, you know who you are. And yeah, like I said, I'm not into too much jewelry, but something really dainty and beautiful just draped over my wrist, like I just love that. Okay, now I want to get into the last few things that I actually purchased. So we went to Diptyque, which was so much fun. I love Diptyque. Diptyque makes some of my favorite candles. They are very pricey, but the quality is amazing. I did just purchase one recently, and it is the Bay candle. This is probably the quintessential candle from Diptyque. It is scented, of berries, but it is very androgynous. It's not too sweet, even though the name suggests that it smells like berries. I love it, love it, love it. And apparently it's Diptyque's 60th anniversary, so we got this beautiful little bag, and I'm so excited. I picked up this candle, and it is called Naguli. Let me look this up. Okay, so we're gonna pronounce this in French, because you guys know how I am. Naguli. So this is Naguli. This is a honey tobacco candle, and when I tell you, when I tried it, my face lit up, and you guys know when I'm trying scents, that means I love it. So this is Naguli, and it is honey and tobacco. I'm actually gonna burn it right now because that's how excited I am. Oh! Oh, I can smell it through the wrapping. Oh, it smells like a sexy man in the woods, and you know, he might have some honey on him. I'm not sure why or how. That's none of my business, but honey, no pun intended. This candle, this is gonna be my new favorite for fall and winter. So let's give her a little light. Ooh. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna set her back there, and I'll let you guys know what the scent is like in a moment. So that was Naguli. I also tried the Diptyque hand soaps, the exfoliating one, the regular one, and also the hand cream, and I'll be getting those as well. I also saw a teacup that I wanted online, or a mug, so we'll be getting all the things. I got a sample of Dosan. I tried this in store and fell in love with it. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous light floral scent. I didn't expect to love it so much. I will definitely be purchasing this one in the spring and summertime. And the second sample I got is Philocycles, something like that, an eau de toilette, and let's give her a spray. I'm really impressed with Diptyque scents, you guys. Ooh, this is like an herbal, citrusy, fresh green scent. I really like that. It kind of reminds me of what I would expect Greece to smell like. So yeah, those are the two samples, but that Naguli candle, honey and tobacco, you want to talk about a sexy fall candle, she's your girl. So I'll link that down below. The last things I have to share with you guys are from NARS. So we popped into the NARS boutique, and it was so fun. I had never been to a NARS boutique before. I found two items that I really was excited about. The first is a lipstick, and this is the NARS lipstick in Gypsy. It's a sheer formula, and my girl Stacy said this was one of her favorites, so I wanted to pick it up. Now, as you guys can see, I'm not the biggest fan of a sheer formulation of lipstick. I love a good, nice color opacity, but I'm open to expanding my likes and wishes. So this is in the shade Gypsy. She said, ooh, this is just a really pretty and comfortable wear everywhere shade. You know, I do like my matte, bold lippies, but I also love a color that's just easy to throw on and wear everywhere. So that's Gypsy. And the second product that I picked up is a blush. NARS blushes will forever be my favorite, hands down. Ooh, I can smell that candle. Oh, I'm not saying that candle's gonna get you in trouble, but I'm just saying you might need that candle in your life, if you catch my drift. So I picked up another blush. This is in the shade Liberty. This was the one that was recommended to me, and like I said, I'm trying to try things that are new. It looks a lot like blushes from NARS that I do have, mainly being a mix of Orgasm X and Torrid, but this is supposed to have a beautiful sheen to it, so I will definitely be trying this one out to see how I like it. But yeah, guys, those are all the things that I have to share with you in this haul, this luxury haul, plus accessories, home items, and beauty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you would like a review or anything. Once again, thank you so much to Italo Jewelry for sponsoring this video. I will leave my codes across the screen and also link down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.